Hey India, guess what? I'm finally coming to Delhi. I've never been to India and I'm so excited I get to come to India. And I know so many of you have been following my blog, watching my videos, are fans of the Facebook page, and so forth. And I finally get to come meet some of you in person and shake your hand and have great one on one conversations with many of you about web development topics. Now, I'm going to be doing several sessions on progressive web apps and service workers, and we're also trying to organize a half-day workshop on day one where we're just going to dive in and you're going to be able to work with me on solving problems with progressive web applications so that you can deliver the best products for your customers that you possibly can. But that's not all. I'm not just going to talk about development stuff. I'm also going to have one session dedicated to fitness for developers. And this is a big issue for me. Now, in North America, we've got an obesity epidemic. And as I'm looking at trends around the world, I can see the Western culture is invading India, and you are starting to experience the same things we did many years ago. But as someone who's gone through and lost about 25% of his body weight and gotten in shape, and I can see how this culture and our developer lifestyle is not the best. So I'm going to have a whole session dedicated to helping you as a developer maintain a good physical fitness so that you can live a long, healthy, prosperous life. And honestly, it's going to make you a better developer because you're going to be able to feel better as you mature and grow older. So come join me and many other great speakers as we talk about all kinds of amazing, fun development topics at the Leela Hotel and Convention Center at the CSharp Corner Conference, April 13th through 15th. You want to make sure that you register today so that you don't miss this opportunity to come meet me and many other great folks and hang out with other peers too. I can't tell you how much I love developer events and the growth and learning and just motivation I get. And hopefully you'll see the same benefits as well.